super time for startups. Homegrown taxi aggregator Ola is the latest unicorn to shut down its subsidiary Taxi4Sure just a year after buying it for $200 million. Adit Charlie, who tracks the startup space very closely, joining in with the details. Adit, how many people stand to lose their jobs now?
Well, India's top unicorns seem to be turning bearish on some of the assets that they had recently acquired. A case in point is cabs aggregator Ola, which has decided to shut down the Taxi4Sure part of its business. Now remember, Taxi4Sure was acquired by Ola in 2015 for about $200 million, and in a way Ola was trying to kill competition in the taxi aggregation business so that the competitive dynamics change and it becomes a two-way battle between Ola and Uber. Well, we spoke to Alok Goel of Saif Partners to understand what this development means for the startup ecosystem. Let's tune into what he had to say.
In a startup life, you have a point of view today for the market, for the opportunity in front of you, and then you react or you act according to that opportunity. And many of the times, in a matter of few months or quarters, that reality, ground reality, just changes dramatically, and then you have to again react to that. And many of the decisions that you took just few months back suddenly seem like obsolete decisions, and then you have to either undo them or you have to basically take some kind of an action to overcome the challenges being created by the previous decision.
So acquisition